Hello, there's my channel and I have something in Barbie supermarket. Okay, that's I don't know why that's card like that, and that's okay. Now we open that. Okay, now that take out that we take out. Okay, you're opening this. And that is the old stuff. Okay, all the stuff is I have the milk. I have the I think it's maple. Yeah. I have the cheese, juice, orange juice, cereal, cookies, yogurt, and that is yogurt. Yeah, yogurt, water, and it's drink something like that. I think it's a juice. Yeah, I think it's juice, strawberry juice. Okay, and there is all that stuff on that, like that. The stuff go on that. Oops, like the milk, and it don't go. Yeah. Okay, and now this. One. That stuff that yeah. Oh, and this and this, because I have there something open. And I have that car for one. Two, yeah, and that, like it's like that, but smaller. And now we open yeah, and okay, now all finished. Oh, and there I have one. Okay, I have this, you see, and that's for this. I don't know, it have to go like that. Go with this juice on that. Oops. It's have to go. And there we have that. And on that, yeah. Okay, this is the market. It's the stuff. No, it's the just the market. It don't see like it's a very small market. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Just okay. That is the market. And that on there. You see? That's and that's because it don't have to be like that. That is the market. Okay. Thank you for the watching. Do a like.